Hi, everyone. Welcome to Friday Math, where we try to do something a little fun and different, thinking about math and thinking about how math relates to the books we've been reading this week or the things we've been doing. We're going to do some math from the book we've been reading this week. And we read two books, but I chose this book. Oh, yeah, by the way, I'm here in my bedroom because my office is being used by my wife. She has a class that she's going to. I'm in here in my bedroom with all the other stuff that's around in here. So here we have the If You Plant a Seed. You guys remember that book we've been reading about. And there was a seed in here. Here we have those five birds. And I was thinking about those five birds, and what a great time to talk about a little bit of skip counting, which we've talked about before, but I'm going to talk about a little bit more now. Here's the sheet that we're going to have. I'm going to have it right next to it. I'll actually be going back and forth. But when we skip count, we skip count by different numbers. We can skip count by any number: ones, twos, threes, fours, fives, six, tens. Some of you know how to skip count by tens. We go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. But today we're going to talk about skip counting by twos. And I looked at these five birds here, and I thought about how each of them had two legs or two wings or two of different things. And I thought about my hands. And we have five birds. I have five fingers on one hand. So sometimes if I say, hey, how many beaks do we have? One, two, three, four, five. We might have five beaks. Just like that, five on my hand. Oh, and that happens to be the answer over here. How many beaks will five birds have? Well, that one's easy, five. One bird has one beak. Five birds have five beaks. And maybe we'll skip around a little bit here. How many wings do five birds have? Let's see. Well, this one has two wings, and that one has two wings. Two more, two more, two more wings. Wait a second. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 4 is 6, plus 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10. 10. Five birds will have 10 wings. Interesting. Oh, here's another one up here. How many legs will five birds have? I think is that the same thing? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10. My goodness. Well, I guess I wasn't intending to go backwards, but you don't always have to follow the exact rule for math. There are lots of different ways to do these problems. And so you kind of figure out the way that works best for you. But let's take a look here. What is 2 times 5? Well, I'm thinking about I have 5 fingers on one hand, and I have 5 fingers on another hand, 2 hands. So you could say that 2 is for the number of hands, 5 is for how many fingers. Well, I think that's 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And there are lots of ways we can also do that. Some of this I hope might make sense to you. Sometimes you might just say, hey, well, that kind of makes sense. I'm just going to follow along and write down what you write down. That's great too. Now, this last one. Fill out this set of skip counting by twos. All right. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Neato. And then what I'm hoping kind of that we see is that, like, there's a 10 and there's a 10. And I see this 5 here. I see a 5 over here. Ooh, there's some connections going on over here. So take a picture of your work, send it back to me. Think about those cute little birds and planting seeds of kindness. And remember the seed of kindness, trying to help things out. And in the end, it was all very, very, very sweet. That was some good stuff. So anyway, have some fun with this. Talk with your uncle, your grandma, your mom, or your dad, or Mr. Sylvan, or whoever's helping you with this stuff, and have a good time. And I'll see you at class today. Bye, guys.